Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. "25 Prophets of Allah." Chapter 1. Hazrat Adam Alaihissalam. Map of Fertile Crescent. Prophets have traveled and lived along a strip of land known as the Fertile Crescent, which stretches from Egypt, through Canaan and Mesopotamia to Babylon. Adam Alaihissalam. Adam was the first prophet of Allah Ta'ala. He was the first person created on earth. Allah Ta'ala created him from clay. Allah Ta'ala gave him knowledge of everything. Adam Alaihissalam was created after a Sar on a Friday. The first food that Adam Alaihissalam ate was wheat. Allah Ta'ala ordered the angels to prostrate before Adam Alaihissalam. In obedience to Allah Ta'ala, all the angels prostrated, except Iblis. Iblis is a jinn. He is also called Satan. Iblis refused to prostrate, saying, "I am better than Adam. You have created me from fire, while you created him from clay." Allah cursed Iblis, and Iblis said, "I have been cursed because of Adam. I will take revenge on him." After creating Adam, Allah Ta'ala created Hawa as his wife. She was the first woman created on earth. Allah Ta'ala told them to live in the Garden of Paradise, but warned them not to go to a certain tree. Allah Ta'ala wanted to test Adam and Hawa to see if they obeyed his commands. Iblis, Satan, wanted to take revenge and was waiting for the right moment. He enticed them to eat from the forbidden tree. Immediately a sudden change came over them. Their heavenly clothes left her bodies and they covered themselves with leaves. They realized their mistake and asked Allah Ta'ala for forgiveness. Allah Ta'ala forgave them and sent them down to earth. Adam Alaihissalam and Hawa Alaihissalam had a lot of children. Adam Alaihissalam taught his children to obey Allah Ta'ala at all times. To disobey Allah Ta'ala meant punishment. Jazakallah. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.